How to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus on your device. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up ChatGPT and then make sure to log into your account. So I'll just tap on the hamburger menu at the top left, and then tap on login or sign up, and then I'll continue with my Google account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you'll have an option to go to the plus option. So you can find your history on the left-hand side. And to get ChatGPT Plus, tap on Get Plus at the top of your screen. And it will show you all of the features available, like access to GPT-5, advanced reasoning, more messages and uploads, more image creation, more memory, early access to new feature, agent mode with deep research, as well as tap on upgrade to plus. And then from here you need to provide your card details and enter your card information. Once you have done that, you can just tap on subscribe. And once you tap on it, you can provide your password or fingerprint and you'll be good to go. You can also get some free trials for a certain period, like up to 3 days or something like that, and you'll be good to go. So that's how you get ChatGPT Plus on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.